And then we're gonna have in this area here, let's see, in this video setting area, we're gonna have like an options that the text can go all this way down, but only you can see here. So we're gonna make like a box down here. This is the area, and then we can scroll it, and this text is gonna be pushed up. So we're gonna make an image, and we're gonna scale it out, and actually you can just go like that. And so to be sure, you can keep, there we go. And we're gonna delete the image itself. I'm gonna scale it down like this, and then we're gonna have in this area we're gonna have all the text and stuff. So maybe we want up here to be able to see this is video settings at all time, and in here we want it to like go down depending on what we gonna do. So we will have here we're gonna have a UI text, and we're gonna say this one will be title text, and we're gonna take the text and pivot to the top and take it a bit down, scale it up, let's say this will be video, change the font, change the size, change the alignment, change the color, and there we go. So when you click video, this box will open with video content and not with a capital I, looks dumb. And then we gonna have in here we're gonna have all the options. So first we're gonna have one option that will be so you can make like boxes inside the boxes at all times, so it makes it a bit easier, but yeah, we're gonna do that. Why select when you can do it properly? So UI image, go, and then we're gonna say align to the top. No, we're not gonna align it, we're just gonna scale it, and then we're gonna remove the image, and in here we're gonna have, let's see, scroll area, we're gonna call this one, and this one we're gonna call what can we call it? We can call it graphic crawler, settings level. So we're gonna, in this one we're gonna have a UI text, there we go, and we call it settings level, and gonna pivot to the top, gonna take it a bit down, and we're gonna say it's normal, gonna say gonna be this one, and we're gonna have it color to be white, and we're gonna, so there's like a lot of things going on here and coming with the same again. I might even, there we go, levels, and then we're gonna make a button UI. Gonna make an image first. Just thought about, I don't want the levels to be aligned with it the same way. Gonna move it. Gonna put it up here, here, here. So button holder levels. I'm gonna create a. We can actually just take like this video button and put it in here, and then set the pivot to here, and we want to create 4 levels. One gonna be low settings, and then we're gonna have like normal quality settings, and then we're gonna have high, and then we're gonna have ultra, and then we're gonna make a vertical alignment group, and we can take all of them and just gonna shove it a bit in, say there, and we're gonna put it in the middle center like this. We're gonna change all the text, so low, normal, and this one will be high, and this one will be ultra. And we're gonna, now that this one is created, we want it like maybe here and another one here, and then kind of down, so we're gonna snap it to the corner, and we're gonna pull it out a bit from the corner, like 5, no, like maybe 20 and minus 20. That's actually dumb, because because I don't want to hit the edges. It's something about not hitting the edges, so we just want it to snap into the corner, so like that. So now it's snapping into the corner, and then we're gonna have, now we have settings levels. We're gonna take a new one, and we're gonna put that one in the other corner, and we're gonna change all the names. So text will be screen resolution. We're gonna pan out text, this, make it best fit, and then we're gonna take each button and change the resolutions. So this is gonna be renamed to screen resolutions, and it's a little bit bad, I cannot remember all the resolutions, so I'm just gonna rename this to, no, I'm just gonna pause the video and look at the resolutions. So there we go, time travel. I just put in the screen resolutions, and now we can continue. Okay, so now we have this, close it a bit, and scroll bar, let it be. Video settings, do we have more to that? We have one more. I'm gonna take this and pivot it to the corner, this, then gonna drag it down like this. I want it there. No, I want some more space, so I want it here. The reason why we do all this with the pivot is when they are changing the screen selection, it needs to find out what corner am I working out from and what size from that corner and stuff. So if you don't do it, it all will get messed up when you change the resolutions. So here we will write shadows, and we're just gonna have a button here. So we're gonna change the side of this as well. Screen resolution, buttons levels. 1. not more than that, and it's a part of greater one. So we're gonna delete these instead. Yeah, and this one will be called shadows, and we're gonna say name button holder shadow. I'm gonna say shadows on with it on off. Yeah, let's say like this. Maybe gonna change this. So what we're gonna do now is that we want to remove, like, if it gets under here, so we need like a masking area. So what we're gonna do is go into this one, scroll bar, and we're gonna put on here a mask. So now if it gets under this, you cannot see it, but it is inside this one, we know that. So we want to, when we are scrolling, that you can see it, but maybe you even want this. Yeah, I have it like that. They can see there is more. So this will be like the UI idea, and we're gonna change all of these and stuff, but right now we're gonna keep it like this. So that will be the tutorial for now, and in the next one we will properly gonna do so we can click these buttons and open the panels, and then we're gonna make another movie, and that will be how to change the levers, and then another one how to change the resolutions. So yeah, thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions for another video, please say so.